Handy Amby here with another quick how-to video. All right, so what we're gonna do today is we are going to be replacing the batteries in our Yale Lock for the Google Home system, smart home system. So you only need a couple things here. You're going to need the tool that came with your lock, as well as AA batteries, 4 AA batteries to replace the ones that are in there. So what we do is we take our handy tool and like Handy Amby, and we're gonna pop that right here. So there's this is the battery cover, and there's you want to pull at the same time, and you see that it just pushes that down so it pops off. Okay, and then we're just going to take the batteries out like so. You can take them to your local battery recycle station because you don't want to just throw your batteries away, right? We always recycle, reduce, reuse. All right, so those are out, and then we're gonna pop our new ones in. Pretty basic. It has in here the direction for the positive and negative terminals for our batteries. So we'll look at those pictures to be able to install our new batteries. So the Yale Lock, will keep the same settings as you have, the same passcodes. Okay, press the Yale logo to begin. See, now it's activated. And then we'll just pop this back on here. And we're done. Now your Yale Lock, it should work, be operational again. You press the lock to lock it. It's operational again. And we're out. Good job, team. Success.